Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. So as you guys can probably see, this is not a normal video that I normally do here on the main channel. I asked you guys on Insta story where you can now ask questions, and I asked for questions for a Q&A. This was actually like 2 weeks ago, but I've just had not gotten to it. And it was perfect for me to do this now because I've been under stress. I've been for 3 days now trying to work out because my phone got stolen. This is brand new, and the phone that was stolen was only 2 months old. Yep. But don't you guys worry, you don't have to feel sorry for me. Well, you can, but you don't have to. I have a new phone, as I said, and I'm okay. So yeah, let's just get into the questions because that is why you are watching this. Okay, the first question is actually from my friend Ida, and she asks on Swedish, hur går det med veganismen? So how is the vegan lifestyle going for me? It is going great. I started eating completely vegan at Easter, and that was like 5 months, and it's been going great. Nothing has really been hard, honestly. The only thing that I miss is halloumi cheese because I love feta cheese. It is like my favorite thing ever, but I found a vegan feta cheese. Oh my god, what am I doing? I found a vegan feta cheese from Violife. I am featuring it in my morning routine. No, night routine, I don't know, but it is so good, so I actually don't miss it. But halloumi cheese I miss, and mozzarella, and that is someone called Melissa is asking, what about mint green hair someday? And I was actually going to ask you guys, please vote up here, what kind of hair should I have? I know that you guys have said to me that I should try mint green, and I have a very cool shade from Lime Crime that is like mint green, and as my hair is like very faded right now, I'm like, why not just try it? So should I go mint green? Vote up here. Louise Cheshire asks, when you got tattooed, did it hurt? Obviously it hurt. It hurts getting a tattoo. I actually got a new tattoo. Wait, have you guys seen all of my new tattoos? If you haven't seen my vlog, I actually got 3 new tattoos, and you guys have to go and watch it because one is on my dick, I was gonna say, but I do not have a dick. It's on my vagina. So go watch the vlog if you want to see that. But I got at the Stockholm festival that I was just at, I got this the women sign, Venus sign, whatever you want to call it. I got this one as well, and then what else did I get? Oh yeah, that's right. I got my fingers as well. If you want to see them more, I have it in the vlog. Which Harry Potter house are you in? And I am in Ravenclaw. I'm a brainiac. I'm really not, but yeah. When I did it, I thought it was like a Swedish website called Hogwarts.nu, and also on Pottermore I got Ravenclaw. Don't really know why, but I'm happy with it. It has the coolest shade. Have you ever felt unsafe in the presence of a man? And I chose to take this question because some of you guys know I was just at a festival called Statement Festival. Whoa, represent, ooh. And the entire festival was cis men free. If you don't know what a cis man is, I'm not really sure if I'm the best person to explain it in English, but it's pretty much someone that is a privileged man. So at the festival, for example, there were trans men, but they were no like hetero straight men, white, you know. To the question, yes, I felt very unsafe with many men. Statistics say that if I should be scared of anything in this world, Men are what harms women the most worldwide. If I would be scared of getting murdered, then the statistics say that it will probably be a man murdering me. If someone would rape me, it would statistically be a man because it's just the statistics. And if you go to a festival, back to the festival, if you go to a festival, there have been quite a lot of but yeah, there's been a lot of shit, and it's all because of men. And I don't want to go into it. If you want to see or hear more about the festival, I actually have a vlog coming up, so go and check that out. I'm not saying that I hate all men. I'm a straight woman. I date men. I've been very blessed not to have that many horrifying stories to tell, which I'm very thankful for. But I'm only 23 and I've already been groped, I've been shouted at, I've been hit by men, and I'm sure that if nothing changes, more shit will happen to me. And for that, I'm so happy that the world's first cis men free festival was just this weekend, and I felt so empowered. I felt so free, powerful, and just safe. Did you get bullied when you were a child, and what inspired you to be yourself? Actually, I think that me being bullied when I was young has helped me a lot growing as a person, and I think that I've gotten more empathetic, and I think it actually made me a better person. I think that I was more bullied than I thought I was, or think that I was, because so many of the things that I've been through when I was in school, my mind works in those ways that if I think that something is really hard to think about, I just forget about it. It's so weird, but my mind works like that. It's so many events that I've been like, that has never happened, and then someone talks about it, and I'm like, fuck, that happened to me. But my mind is just like, no, don't think about it, just be happy. Such a cliche thing, I guess, but I was bullied because I was emo. And I know that some people don't really take that seriously. They were like, yeah, but you were emo, so like, fuck, just take it or whatever. But it was really bad. People threw rocks at me. They threw whatever they had in their hands. They threw like footballs at me. I still to this day, like, if someone has a football, like, playing around with it, like, I'm scared. Like, I just feel like it's going to be on me. And people said stuff, and there were also like 2 events that I got like pretty hurt, but I don't really remember much of it. It doesn't really affect me today at age 23, but I do think that it has made me a better person, and also a much stronger person, because now I can take whatever. You can say whatever to me, I do not care. People say stuff in real life and I'm like, okay, I don't know, because I know that I am a good person, I am a nice person. If someone has anything bad to say about me, then fuck off. Are you worried about what your family and friends could think about your face modification, lip fillers, and stuff like that? No, not really. I think that if I want something and I think it's fun to try out, then I can do that because it is my face. Like, my mom, she didn't even see that I had done anything. I was like, Mom, can you see something on my face? And she was like, no, what? So I don't really care, and if someone does care, then it's their problems. How do you feel when someone recognizes you and asks you for a photo? I love that. Actually, now at the festival, some people came up to me and I was so happy about it. It's really fun. So if you ever see me, please come and talk to me. Right. It has been 2.5 hours and I've been out with my mom and sisters and eaten dinner, so that is why if I look a little bit different, that is why. But let's get started again. A lot of people have asked how I keep my hair so healthy and non-damaged when I do so much with it. First of all, I don't bleach my hair a lot, so the colors that you guys see, the colorful dyes, aren't really harmful to your hair. It's kind of like a conditioner, and also it doesn't last forever, so it's semi-permanent. But I do bleach my hair, but not as often as you guys might think. Most of the time I just dye over all of my colors that I have. I just let it fade as much as possible, and then I put a color on top. But I do bleach my hair maybe like once a month. I also don't wash my hair that much. I use very good and moisturizing products when I do wash my hair. If you haven't seen my hair washing routine, it is in my night care routine that I can link up here as well. But I use like really good products and I wash my hair maybe once a week. I don't really straighten my hair. My hair is already straight. I don't do much with it. Then just let it be like this. Then there's a question, have you ever gotten drunk or high only because you feel sad or alone? And first of all, I don't get high. I am very against drugs. I don't do drugs and I've never done drugs really. But yes, I do drink alcohol, and of course I've been getting drunk when I'm sad and alone. But most of the time when I'm sad, I just sit in my bed right here, and my best cure for being sad is one, being with friends, eating snacks and watching Disney. That is my tip to you if you are sad. And also talk to someone. Do you ever experience jealousy in friendships or relationships? And if you did or do, how did you deal with that? I've never really been a jealous person. In relationships, I've never had to be jealous in any way. I've only had, as you guys know, one real relationship that lasted 5 years. And in that relationship, I had no cause, or I didn't have to be jealous because there was no need to be. It was a really good relationship. In friendships, sure, but I have my close friends, and I know that they love me and I know that I love them. So no, not really. I'm not a jealous person, but if you are, try and think about why you are jealous. Like if it's in a relationship, maybe you have a reason to be jealous, and if you don't have a reason to be jealous, then you have to talk with yourself about it, because if there's no reason to be, then don't be. It will just harm your relationships. Do you think about getting extensions? Yes. I think that I actually will very soon. What is your most important thing for you when it comes to staying in shape? And I've gotten a lot of questions about diet and stuff like that as well. And to that, I just want to say that personally, I don't do anything. I am vegan. I eat as healthy as I can. I try and not eat too much junk, but I do eat a lot of junk sometimes. I'm not really a hamburger pizza kind of person, but I do eat a lot of snacks, like chips and popcorn, crisps, as some of you might say. Don't think too much about diet. If you are happy with yourself, then just be happy with your body, because thinking about your body all the time is so not good for you. And it's like people have said all your life, it is what's inside that counts. Don't think about your outside too much. Like, it might sound weird for me to say because I'm naturally thin, and I wear a lot of makeup, but also it's not what's most important, and I know that. I don't know, just be happy with yourself. I love you guys, and you should love yourself too. I'm starting to not be able to speak because I'm actually starting to get sick. My throat hurts so much, and also I'm a little bit tired. But let's take a few more. What type of guys do you like? a lot of people actually asks, and I don't know why, because you're all girls that asks. But if you would have watched my Never Have I Ever with my friend Felicia, you would know. And also, if you saw my latest video, you might hear a man's voice in the background. Let's just say I like them exotic. That's what Felicia said in my Never Have I Ever. I guess not exotic, but I find guys more interesting if they know other languages or if they're from another culture and stuff like that. I like non-Swedish guys. So yes. A lot of people also asks how I stay motivated to eat healthy, and I must say, even though I eat vegan, I do not eat healthy. A lot of people also ask about my earlobes. Some people have asked if I am trying to make them smaller, but I'm not. I just have them out sometimes because I forget. But a lot of people ask how my experience was stretching them and stuff like that. I took it very slowly, which I would recommend to all of you guys, even though it is hard. It didn't hurt at all. It shouldn't hurt. Like, sure, when you squeeze through a new size, it might like not be very comfortable, but it should never hurt. Mine is 16 millimeter. Is it 18? It's this size. Let's put it in so you guys can see. Is it 18? Fuck, I don't remember. 16 or 18? 18, I think. Favorite sex pose or favorite sex toy? I don't have any sex toys. Like, that is not okay. I want one, but I've just not gotten around to it. Favorite sex pose? You know what? Anywhere I can touch myself at the same time. Hashtag clitoris lover. I'm a dick lover too, but yeah, hashtag clitoris lover. Yes, for sure. And I think that will be the last question for this Q&A. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And also vote up here if you want more Q&As, then I can do that for you guys. So yeah, that is it. I hope you will have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye! Mwah.